Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I recently made a video about the PCV valve, a failure that gives, which is that it remains obstructed and an overpressure occurs inside the engine. I will leave you the link of that video that I did, but there is another failure that valve can give, and that is that valve fails and stays open, which here would be the opposite. That valve goes here. This is the valve cover or rocker cover. This would be, I took another photo, here it looks much clearer. This is the valve. There are different types. Okay, this is the PCV valve. What happens when this valve stays open? The problem that happens here is that as soon as you start the vehicle, the air is admitted, and then through the intake it also begins to drag the gases, the vapors that are in the engine in the upper part of the engine. The function of this valve is to control the pressure. There is a moment there is excessive pressure in the engine, and this valve opens and releases part of these gases. When the valve breaks down and stays open, what it does is suck in that steam and also sucks in the oil. It begins to suck in the oil, and then you will see that blue smoke comes out of the exhaust. It also smells like oil, and the problem, as I say, can perfectly come from this valve. How is the check done? You can check by removing the oil cap. Open the oil cap, put your hand and you will notice suction inward. Another test. Put another, you turn the plug and remove the oil dipstick. You take it out 2 or 3 centimeters. And you will see how it tries to absorb it again, puts it in again, and you know that is produced precisely by that intake suction effect. You know, when the cylinder is lowered, what it produces is air suction, and also when the valve is damaged and open, what it does is directly suck the vapors and oil from here. Well, I hope this video will clarify some of them doubts, and well, if so, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.